November 17th, National Homemade Bread Day. Well, I've had homemade bread, which was very common. We have a cut here that dates from 1936. And how do we know that? Well, one of the clues is that it says 1936 right on the piece itself. I'm sure this would have been used in a store display. And there's a small evidence that this might have been printed in a red color. So it's interesting delving into the history of some of the cuts we have in the shop. This one was here when I arrived. I have no idea how it ended up here. But it's a two-piece, probably was folded at the middle. I'll give you a good look at each one. If you noticed on there the 1936 date,